Do you ever wonder what it really takes to build a great biogas project? I've got news for you. It's finding the right installation partner. Let's talk about RCG.
RCG was born from the maritime industry. Complex mechanical and electrical systems are in our DNA. We stick with every project until it's done right.
Self-perform in all 48 contiguous states with our own crews, no middlemen. We recently completed 6 turnkey projects with a top biogas company, on time, on budget. And when we stay with a project, we mean it. We see it through to completion.
Hey, thanks guys. It sounds like RCG is a great first phone call to make for anything electrical or mechanical.
RCG is proud to be ISO certified. That certification reflects our commitment to quality, and we take it further by never handing work off. Our crews build it, and we own the results.
No delays, no overruns, no excuses.
Because of our genesis in the marine and maritime industries, along with numerous land-based power projects, we've tackled some of the most complex electromechanical and piping projects on the planet.
Now we bring that same precision to RNG. Thorough, reliable, turnkey.
Do yourself a favor. Give RCG a call if you want the job done right.